Time for a look at the weather forecast now with Helen, and ice in all its forms, Helen.
Martine, we've got everything winter-wise over the coming few days except the kitchen sink. We've got the snow, we've got the ice, and we've got some really howling northeast winds to come as we get through tonight and tomorrow. It's going to feel awful. So a warning of snow and ice. Most of northern and eastern Scotland, now the north and east of England and parts of Northern Ireland. Well, that's really where we see most of the significant snowfall during the day today. We've had a smattering again on top of what has already fallen in other southern counties, and there'll be one or two snow showers for other coastal counties, particularly eastern England. But this is where the main snow threat comes as we go through the evening and overnight. Some further disruptive snowfall, the wind strengthening, blowing it around as well. That's something we haven't had yet, and bitterly cold if that weren't enough, particularly over the snowfields. A severe frost to come. So Sunday looks cold to start with, to say the least. Further significant snowfall pushing its way towards the central lowlands as well. A good 10 to 15 centimetres across southern and eastern Scotland, possibly northeastern England as well. We've seen our fair share here. Head further south across parts of central England. It's a cold start. There'll be one or two wintry flurries. Could be a little bit of mist and shallow fog around as well first thing, given the winds are quite light here. But towns and cities -2, -3, so you can imagine it's going to be -8, -9 out in the sticks. A really cold start to our Sunday morning, but a bright one where you don't have the mist and fog. And actually, if you escape the showers, could feel relatively pleasant compared with what's to come. The snow showers continue as well through parts of the eastern side of Northern Ireland tomorrow. At the moment they're in the north and the west. It switches into eastern counties through the day tomorrow, eastern and northern areas, and that snow risk also, as you can see, continues on and off throughout the day for parts of southern and eastern Scotland and also potentially the northeast of England. But elsewhere, not that much snow falling. Yes, there'll be a few flurries and it will feel cold, just 2 or 3 degrees, but we've got the strong wind to go with the added snowfall, the disruptive snowfall, a major snow event tomorrow for Scotland. The winds blowing at gale, really horrific. It'll feel tremendously cold, unfortunately, which means we're going to see some disruption as well, because even though the snow ploughs may clear the snow, obviously that wind's going to blow it back around. You can keep up to date, of course, on local radio and here on the news channel. Monday sees similar areas at risk from snow. By Monday, the wind starts to strengthen further south as well, and by Tuesday, there's a strong wind for us all. So you can imagine that wind chill. It really will feel very bitter indeed, with severe frost, penetrating frost for most of us, not just by night, but temperatures barely above freezing by day. Winter is biting in there. See you later.